Refinery. Welcome in. I always wanted to get into code, started the CS50 Harvard online course, but never finished it. The CS50 Harvard course is one of those like harder online programs. So don't feel bad about not finishing it. I remember doing CS50, and I didn't finish it either. I only finished like the beginning parts of it. CS50 gives you like a really well-rounded perspective on programming because they start you off with C. They teach you how to rewrite to files. They teach you how dynamic memory works, pointers and all that stuff. And that stuff a lot of online platforms don't cover. You're learning a lot of CS fundamentals, but obviously you don't need to know that stuff to get a job. You just want to get like an overall idea about programming, or do you have a specific domain that you want to get into? Oh, web app development. If you want something a little easier that will like get you started right away, you can definitely look into Odin Project. The Odin Project is free and gets you started on the front end. The Odin Project just takes you straight to web dev, which is just like a smaller subset of programming, right? There's also free code camp. Yeah, I mean, if you want to become a good developer, when you have free time, you should always try to learn how things work behind the stuff that you're using, like either if it's a framework. It's hard to start from the beginning, right? Because technology has grown and developed so much that to start from the beginning is very hard, especially when you didn't come from a traditional computer science school. It's like with anything in life, you get like a tiny window to something. What you want to do is always try to expand that window. But let me tell you this, Refinery, I've forgotten a lot of that stuff. Like every time someone asks me to do some binary arithmetic, I'm just like, I have to start all over again. It's like I just don't remember. You'll find that you end up forgetting a lot of shit, and then you only remember the shit that you use often. You probably have to put some time into refreshing on those things.